Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see 6 fruit juices and 2 sorbet recipes. In this, the first recipe is Kerala Kuliki Sarbat. This is a very refreshing drink with little sourness, sweetness and spiciness. Today I am going to make 4 small tumblers of this sarbat. For this we need half a cup of sugar. To this add 2 cups of water. Let this be on the flame till the sugar gets completely dissolved. If you are concerned about adding sugar, you can go for brown sugar or jaggery or even palm jaggery. Here the sugar is ready. Switch off the flame, let it cool down. Take a tablespoon of sabja seeds. Pour about quarter cup of water. Let this increase in size. After some time you can see a jelly-like coating on the seeds. Add some more water if needed. This is ready, it has to be like this. Now take an airtight container. Add 1 tablespoon of sabja seeds. Squeeze half a lemon into this. Add 1 green chili. Few pieces of chopped pineapple. The sugar water which we prepared. Finally, few ice cubes. Now close this and shake this well for about 1 or 2 minutes. The shaken sarbat or the kuliki sarbat is ready. Now let us pour this into a glass. Add few more ice cubes while serving. The next recipe is watermelon sorbet. We need half a watermelon for this. This is a small watermelon. Usually this recipe is called sorbet, but most of the sorbet uses condensed milk or sugar syrup, but we are going to use coconut milk for this. It is not that you have to use only the watermelons, you can use any kind of fruit. Any fruit in frozen stage is suitable for this recipe. Cut the watermelons into small pieces and remove the seeds. We are not going to use any sugar for this recipe, and if you want, you can add honey, but better choose a nice sweet watermelon. We are going to freeze this for around 10 hours, so close it very tight or else use a ziploc cover. We have tightly closed this and this is ready to be frozen. The fruit has to be completely frozen and has to be like this. The frozen fruit is ready. Now let us transfer it into a mixie jar and add half a cup of thick coconut milk. Use a chilled coconut milk, it will give you a nice texture. This is ready now. It has to be creamy. You have to blend till creamy. Now let us transfer this into a bowl. This is ready. If you find little liquid in it, freeze this again for 15 to 20 minutes and not more than that. Our watermelon ice cream or watermelon sorbet is ready. Next is carrot juice. For this, take a cup of chopped carrots. To this add a small piece of ginger. and half a cup of apple, skin removed and chopped. For the sweetness, I am going to add honey. Add a cup of water and blend this as fine as possible. Carrots are good source of several vitamins and minerals. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin K, potassium and vitamin B6. When taken regularly, it will protect the skin, improves immune system, improves eyesight, protect your liver, reduces cholesterol and even reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Here I have filtered the juice, but try to drink the juice without filtering. Drop some ice cubes into this and drink chill. The next recipe will be tomato juice. For this, take 2 or 3 tomatoes. Cut them into small pieces. The tomatoes are ready. Now let us mash this. Don't put the tomatoes in the mixie jar. For a proper juice, the seeds should not be grinded. If the seeds gets grinded, the juice won't taste that good. You have to mash this well until you get this consistency. Once you get this consistency, you can add a cup of water. Now let us filter it. For the sweetness, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder into the juice. The juice is ready. Let us transfer this into a serving glass. The next recipe is Jamun juice. Take a handful of jamuns, remove the seeds. Transfer this into a mixie jar. To this, add a little sugar, around a tablespoon. If you don't want sugar, you can add honey. A pinch of salt and half a lemon. Jamuns are rich source of proteins, vitamins, antibiotics, flavonoids, manganese, potassium, phosphorus and calcium. It helps to treat diabetes and even cure liver disorders and heart disorders, and a natural blood purifier. So try to have this a lot whenever possible. Here we have added a cup of water and we are going to blend this. The juice is ready. Let us transfer this into a serving glass. Add some ice cubes and serve chill. Next we are going to see plum juice. For this, let us take 3 or 4 plums. Chop them into pieces and remove the seeds. The plums are ready. To this, add around 2 cups of water. Now let this boil. You have to boil this until the skin gets separated. This is after 4 minutes. The skin got separated. You can switch on the flame now. Now mash this well. This is ready. Let us filter this. To this, add the required amount of sugar. a pinch of salt and a big pinch of chaat masala. Give a nice stir. The plum juice is ready. Let us transfer this into the serving glass. Add some ice cubes and serve chill. The next juice will be pomegranate mint juice. For this we need a cup of pomegranate seeds. This is approximately a medium-sized fruit. To this add few mint leaves, sugar as per your taste, and a pinch of nutmeg powder. Let us add the water later. First we are going to blend this. If you add water at the initial stage, the seeds won't get grind properly. This is perfect. Now let us add a cup of water. The juice is ready. Let us filter this. Pomegranate is rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, carbohydrates and fiber. It treats and prevents hypertension, high cholesterol, diarrhea, stomach infections and even mouth ulcers. So taking this regularly is very good for health. Add some ice cubes if needed. Next is muskmelon sorbet. For this we need one medium-sized muskmelon. Remove the seeds, remove the skin and cut them into small pieces. The melon pieces are ready. I'm going to close it tight and freeze this for around 10 to 12 hours. This is after 10 hours. The fruit is almost solid. We can take it out. Make sure the fruit is frozen properly. Now we can transfer this into a mixie jar and we are going to add quarter cup of condensed milk and blend this into a fine paste. This is ready. This has to be creamy and smooth. Now transfer this into an airtight container. Freeze this again for an hour. Don't over freeze, otherwise this will become very solid. This is perfect. We can scoop it. Our creamy muskmelon sorbet is ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.